John and Mary are husband and wife, and they have two sons who are twins. One is named Ali, while the other is named Ahmed. Ahmed always wakes up in the morning and studies, whereas Ali is always engrossed in playing and does not study. This story is going to be very interesting, so be sure to listen. Now, start the story. Mary brings breakfast for Ahmad.
Sion of our son is Ahmad, who wakes up early in the morning, took bath and started studying, and the other is Ali, who wakes up early in the morning but went out to play bat ball with his friends.
Just then, Ali come there and talks to Mum.
Quickly give me breakfast while playing bat ball. I got hungry while...
You are completely drenched and sweat. First take bath, then I will give you breakfast.
Oh, Mom, even on a day off, you don't let me rest until I get one holiday in a week, in that too you bathe me in the morning. And wake me sit down to study. I have the whole day to study. I will take a bath. And also study...
Ahmad, son, what is the matter? You have test tomorrow, so like Ahmed, first of all you should prepare for the test, and the rest is just playing around.
Papa, I will study, as will I still have whole day for that.
Those who do not work on a time always have to repent, hence whether it is work, eating, or playing sports, everything should be done on time. Only then you will be able to move ahead in life. Learn to utilize time properly like Ahmed does. I go out for some important work. I will come in the evening. And listen to Hindi question and answer from the both of you.
Ahmad have learns everything in Hindi and start making project in English, while Ali start watching TV instead of studying. Ali friends come to his house to invite he to play Ali. Everyone is waiting for you to play bat ball outside, and you are busy watching this idiot box. Ali calls his mother, seeing...
Mom, I'm going to play with my friend. Hey.
If you go to play, then when will you study? If you don't study more, then your marks will down.
Hey, Mom, I will study in the evening, and see, I will also make the English project. Anyway, the test is not today, but tomorrow, and as far as marks are concerned, it is up to look whether it is good or bad.
Seeing this, Ali goes out to play with his friends. When John come home in the evening, he sees that Ahmad has prepared and decorated his English project, as well as...
Yes, Dad, my preparation for the Hindi test also complete.
Mary, this Ali is not visible anywhere.
As soon as John sound like this, Ali enters the house with a bat in his hand.
You have been roaming around with a bat since morning. Looking at you, it seems that neither you have taken a bath nor have you studied anything.
Oh, Papa, you started talking about studies as soon as you were back, and it is only evening. I will study too.
Ali used to postpone all his work till tomorrow, due to which all his work remained incomplete. The next day, Ahmad got good marks in the test, whereas Ali got a lot of upgrading from Mom because of getting bad marks. When both of them come home also from Mother, Ali got reprimanded a lot.
Hey, have some shame. Ali, you have a brother who is of the same age as you. He does all he works on the time, and you keep postponing it, due to which you lag behind others.
Ali, this is what I expected from you, such dirty numbers that too in Hindi and English you would finish the project by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It not it's...
Papa, what should I do, my luck? It is a-going bad.
John explains Ali with love, son, the person who does not make a proper use of time, who always keeps postponing his work for tomorrow, and depending on his luck, can never progress in the life. Hence, we should use our time properly. Both of you got leave, but Ahmed used time properly, and its result is in front of you. And as for luck, we are taught to our own luck, so learn to utilize the time well and stay high in everyone's eyes.
Son, I am having high expectation from you. Hope you understand what I am telling to teach you, son. Hence, we should use our time properly.
You are right, Papa. I have understand what you said from today onward. I will follow the time, so that you can be proud of me like a Ahmad.